Hey guys, so I am heading out. I'm heading out to the beach now. I have been longing for the beach. Haven't seen the beach in quite a bit, so I'm heading out to the beach and gonna have a good time. Hey, I'm looking at the wrong place. Should be looking right there. So yeah, I'm heading out to the beach and I'm just gonna relax, read a book, have a drink, and just enjoy the sea, because I don't get to see it much. So I'm heading out in my Ajax Closet costume that I'm wearing, and I'm gonna have a good time. As I said, I think this is probably the only day where I'll be able to, one of 2 days, where I'll be able to actually go to the beach. So I'm gonna utilize today to the best of my ability. Boo! I think this is my Uber. Kanya, thanks. How are you? I'm good, thank you. So I'm on my way to the beach now. Okay. No, I'm talking to my camera. I'm a vlogger. So I'm on my way to the beach now, guys, and in the Uber, heading there. It's about 10 minutes away. I'm like literally in the city center. So this is Long Street that we're passing through. Arrived in Clifton. I'm just looking for Clifton Beach. There's a couple of them. There's like Clifton First, Clifton Second, Clifton Third. Oh, it says Clifton First right here. So let me show you guys the sign. You get into Clifton First from this side. Sorry? I'm asking, do you get into Clifton First? Yeah.
Yes, that's correct.
Oh, okay. Thanks. So stunning. This is so beautiful. Oh my God. So I'm basically here at the beach. I am excited. I found my way going down the stairs. There's dogs, there's people. I'm gonna wear my costume, take nice pictures for the gram, and read a book. So stoked to be here. Whew. I need to find my way, I think right here. Let's go, guys. subscribers. It's so cool. Shout out to her. I am here and I'm gonna just lie down now. Let me show you my setup. So I'm gonna lie down and relax and just enjoy the summer breeze. This beach is that there's dogs everywhere. I am not a fan of having dogs I don't know around me. I love dogs, but I would rather familiarize myself with the dog and then have it around me. So there they are. So hey guys, I am done with the beach. It was so awesome. I had a great time. I'm coming up the stairs. I'm struggling to breathe. But the beach was amazing. Right there. It's like literally sunset time, but I'm leaving because it's starting to get cold. So it's a perfect time to leave. So yeah, Cape Town beach experience was amazing. Hey guys, so this is just a recap of my time here in Cape Town so far. I'm currently staying at this Airbnb. This is my last day at this Airbnb that I'm staying at. It's in the middle of Cape Town city center. And I'm moving out today. I've been staying with Julian actually the whole time. But I'm moving out today. I'm moving to a new Airbnb. I'm quite excited about that. I went to Clifton Beach yesterday. Clifton Beach was a very good experience for me. I haven't been to the beach in quite a bit. So for me to be at Clifton, looking at the sunset, with amazing company as well, was really, really great. I enjoyed my time there. Was wearing my Ajax Closet costume, and yeah, just enjoyed being in Clifton. We haven't had warm weather here in Cape Town since I've arrived, so it was the first day with warm weather, so I had a spectacular time because of the weather as well. Just basking in the sun. Wanted to take my book, but I forgot it. But I had some good company there. It was really dope, and I enjoyed myself there. And yeah, today I'm moving out, and I've just been having a good time. I mean, I arrived here on Friday. Today is Tuesday. I arrived here on Saturday, sorry, in the morning. Today is Tuesday. And when I had arrived, literally hit the road running. Saw Julian on that first day. We went to Vogue nights. That was fun. On Sunday we went to another event. On Sunday I went to TEDx alone, and then I went to see my best friend at Grand Pavilion. So we met up for lunch at Grand Pavilion. Beautiful lighting, beautiful, you know, set up there. The food was amazing. And then afterwards I went to Vogue nights, to the Fenty event. That's what I did afterwards. So there was a Fenty party, so it was a Rihanna themed party. That was a blur because I was a bit too lit before I arrived. So that was a blur. I'm so glad I didn't stay. I even left my bag there, which I got the next day. I'm so glad I didn't stay for too long because, you know, I'd had a few glasses of wine earlier on when I met up with my best friend. So yeah, when I got to the event, I was just a level happier than usual. So I'm glad that I didn't stay at that event. Probably was there for like an hour and left. And then yeah, it was the beach then the next day on the Monday, which was yesterday. And now I'm moving out of here, and I'm looking forward to going to my next location. I'm hoping my raspy throat, I don't know if that's the right word to describe it, but I'm hoping that I'm feeling a bit better, because I'm feeling a bit tired, I won't even lie. So I'm hoping I'm feeling a bit better by the end of today. But I've had a great time here in Cape Town so far. It's always a ball. I'm looking forward to moving to my next place. That's going to be great. And I'll show you as well the new place and the tour of the new place. So thank you for riding with me. I don't know how I'm going to set these vlogs up, because I've really been taking a lot of content whilst I've been here. I just don't know how I'm going to put it together. It's going to be quite interesting, because there's a lot of little pieces that I'd really like to showcase as best as possible. So it's going to be interesting how I set this one up, and how I put these particular vlogs of me here in Cape Town up. So yeah, I'll show you guys the new place when I'm moving out. I'm working from home, so literally I'm at work, and yeah, it's like basically nothing's changed in that sense. So I'm working, I'm gonna leave here later on, so I still have my 8 to 4 or 8 to 5 or 9 to 5. So I'm working from home, and after that I'll head out later on and move to my new place.
Step over splinters of the moon.